we get an ambulance over here transporting out, and we're going to get creamed up to Scout Park.
The guy that's always on the corner.
Sorry, Q.
No. No, it's okay. No, that's all right, you're good.
I'm under arrest for what? Going to the hospital? They turned off my phone.
Hey, how you doing?
What did I do? What am I arrested for, Sheriff? I'm coming for fucking water because they turned it off. They had to get transported to the hospital. Go quick. There we go. Everybody witnessed it. You guys all witnessed the fucking kidnapping. Don't give me your info. They're just going to make you a target.
Hey, Josh.
Get my cigarettes. Get my fucking cigarettes. You destroyed my fucking glasses. Is this his phone? Yep. Okay. And my fucking destroyed glasses. We're good on these bucks. What are you arresting me for? Get my collar. What'd you arrest me for? Is that walking away from a threat in the hospital? I was there, I fucking called ahead.
Obstructing a peace officer resisting arrest.
Who? You?
Yes.
You fucking kidnapped me and dragged me behind the counter.
He's over at the
You're fucking close, nigga.
He's going to snap.
We're going to take him to Charles Street's medical school.
Yeah.
Yeah. Neither was kidnapping me from a fucking Walmart.
Hey, Nick, I'll just meet you guys over there.
Yeah, sounds
Everybody
good.
sees me
I got
helping.
an ambulance coming.
This is the way the ambulance transported me.
Well, we're going to mark car.
Whose
car?
That's mine. Mine? I got a cage.
Josh, you got a
We have a
cage.
single cage. That's
I'll
the
get
best
out.
one,
You,
otherwise I'll take him.
Cooper. You got all of the fucking email yesterday. Oh wait, no, you can't, because you can't. I talked to you about this, Cooper.
I got your email.
I got your card.
I got your email.
I told you what was going on with Petotsky and fucking Stewart, right? And you're here with an arrest?
Yep.
An animal for what?
You arrested.
What did I obstruct?
You were on an M1 hold. You left.
Oh,
and
no,
now you
I
resisted
wasn't.
officers.
I was there on my own.
We'll just,
I got a fucking psyche valve,
Right over
voluntary, June 8th.
So the ambulance is on his way?
Yep.
I don't know.
I called for an ambi.
Okay. I went all over your radio talking about how I was kidnapped. You fucking guys are fucked. I arranged that transport to the hospital. They called you guys. Baldy and their fucking partner. Where's the partner she was standing in front of the door with? They weren't there for me, no. They were there for Judge Petotsky. Yeah, you got me. I'm clean. You might owe me for a day.
I might have some. I might have some statements in my car.
That'd be great.
Let me check and see what I got.
I'm okay, I'll get with Trevor usually.
I need medical treatment for all the new fucking injuries. How many were you? How many there were you?
Do we need some more of these?
I don't know. There's one person that saw something go on up front.
Okay.
Franklin just told me about it.
No worries. Let me talk to my partner real quick, and we'll. Oh, shit. No, you're good to go. Yeah.
As I said, I was trying to back up. You saw
Right.
that, didn't
Yeah.
you?
Yep.
I didn't get involved, did I?
No, you were fine. Yeah, you guys all did everything you're supposed to
I
do.
was trying to figure out how to get over the counter, but
Yeah. Well, you guys are doing everything you were supposed to do. That was perfect.
he says, well, and I'm going, hey, I'm not in this.
Yeah. No, you guys did everything you're supposed to do.
It just sort of scared me.
It's scary. It's very scary. It could be scares me too.
A little shaken, huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
You guys just pulled the same shit. Because I delivered 7 emails and the 29 attachments. You ain't got shit. You weren't giving me service at the hospital. I left.
Thank you.
I
gave her
got-
one already, so.
I got 3 more. So,
Perfect.
do you need me to give them to anybody or?
I don't think so. I think she's the only person that was.
Okay.
push up
Want my
against stuff.
cigarettes.
Okay.
Fucking told
All right.
Thank you.
Sure.
Shit I just went through. This one here. The other one with the other one. Not there for me. Give me this back for me. Clown. Nah, bullshit. I'll find out. I know how to get all these documents.
Oh, that's fine. I know.
My ambulance had that? No fucking put me in shackles and try to stick shit in my arms, man. I just came from the hospital. My blood pressure was a little elevated.
Civil cars, welfare check at 511 West.
Other than that, there was nothing wrong with me. Lieutenant. Thanks for your service.
Welfare check,
You're welcome.
511 West 26th Street for a neighbor that has
Ain't
dementia
gonna
that
work
keeps
for
trying
you
to come
either.
into the
Everybody
RV's
already
house.
knows I made the contacts. Everybody knows where I am.
Copy.
And I was on the radio screaming for help
Copy, Officer 4.
while I was being kidnapped again. You guys, you can't touch me. I walk with God. He sent me. And you ripped out half of my beard.
Try. It's just across the street.
Yeah, yeah.
I ain't going in your car. We can walk. Wait for the ambulance. Yeah, I'll wait for the ambulance. Wait for the ambulance. Can I have a seat somewhere in the shade, or you want to just sit here and talk to me?
Well, I don't have any shade out here for you, sir. There's shade in the car if you want to sit in the car.
Nah, I
Just
don't
drive
want
across.
Nah, you already got your chance. You guys came over to the hospital looking for me for leaving education. I was here on 9/9 with the same shit.
Dispatch 271 obviously with the summons.
I talked to a doctor. Now you got a
71
medical
Officer
doctor
4.
and another nursing staff. I got the hospital in Denver. I got therapists. You can call them. You ain't putting shit in my arms. You ain't putting me nowhere except for before the judge and the fucking magistrate court, which is a municipal. And I'm walking away.
Yeah, one of us will go. One or two of us will go on the ambulance with you.
You don't need these clowns to protect me.
You just
You
already
need them
finding-
too. You need to be
finding the back
protected from
seat.
them.
Yeah. Is that all you guys need?
I want all
Yeah,
of my
he's already on
injuries.
M1 with the hospital.
Yeah,
I'm not on an M1. You're a fucking idiot.
Alright then.
They can't M1 me. I'm in mental health care already. Then I got a $5 and fucking schedule that Marvin Clay. Put an update on my
Yeah, I figure we'll just get him
You're not
out
gonna hold me.
No, I think, yeah.
The hospital.
Then they're
can't
gonna let me
control
go.
it.
And at this point, you got criminal
These
charges.
guys to get these fucking cuffs off and I can get medical
I'll
attention.
take that something until you get to the hospital.
Yeah, okay. Don't put any fucking shackles on me. You're the ones with that need shackles. Flatten, you're done. You're a sergeant. Yep. Yep. And this guy here plays lieutenant. You know that
Copy.
I got child endangerment shit going on over there that I recorded, right? You know, right on my block. And a fucking infant in danger that I talked to protective services about. And they're supposed to be coming and contacting me at 3 o'clock so I can take them to the houses and show them where the people are and the children that are in danger.
In Parachute?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Garfield County Protective Services.
Okay.
Elizabeth, her phone number's in my cards in my wallet.
I have Elizabeth's phone number.
Yeah. Well, tell her that you got me in custody on a bullshit M1 mental health hold when she's supposed to be coming and providing me adult protective services
423
and the
copy,
children
1106.
that I reported to her. And I'm supposed to be sending her the plat map to show the houses and the names of the people involved and all the children in danger.
Okay.
Okay, so while you're playing this puck game for fucking Petotsky, there's children in danger. I want to hear from Elizabeth at the hospital and her supervisor immediately about what the fuck went on here and why I need protection against Garfield County and the Parachute Police.
I'll be sure to let her know.
You make sure that she's over there. Okay? You ain't got no mental health hold on me because there's nothing mentally wrong with me. I'm in active treatment and almost finished with my treatment and ready to go out there and treat other people.
Perfect.
To save them from animals from you. It's
Yeah.
perfect, yeah, because it's part of God's plan. You're not in it, because you're a Petotsky guy. He's their inside guy in Parachute. I got it all written. They already wrote it down and admitted it.
244
because they
potential
can't handle
hazard at
themselves like these guys.
the 85 East on
Because you know
978.
what? Stop. And we can make it better tomorrow. And we won't do this. What you got going on here is
244
another
potential
fucking
hazard,
kidnapping.
85 East on 970 for a
Okay?
sender from a
And I talked
trailer
to
in
a
the
real
middle of the
doctor.
lanes. See
My
that?
doctors
State's been
at the
advised.
fucking VA and the Care Coordination Center.
Copy.
And tell them that I was again kidnapped. By
244
going to
1107.
medical care this time? Dude, you can delay me a little bit, but you're not going to stop me. I've done nothing wrong, absolutely nothing. I filed the report. That's all. Look at my face. You fucking destroyed my glasses.
265 copy,
Again, you took my
1108.
phone. Violations, federal. And it's on the federal magistrate's desk right now. Okay? They're going to be calling me too.
Okay.
Everybody knows. everybody knows at this point. They were notified when I was coming over here, and everybody's waiting to see what happens next. And you just did this.
Where's the ambulance, sir?
It's about time. I had an ambulance take me to the hospital. I was met by an individual.
I'm gonna pull my car up, get it kind of out of the way.
Handcuffs off so I can sit down? All right. Well, I can't be medically treated properly. Don't throw me the fuck around, dude. You're in enough trouble as it is. I'm in medical fucking hands now. I'm in medical hands now.
You can lay on your side.
To the hospital. I can't
Hello?
get handcuffs on and I can't get comfortable. Take them off and strap me with a wrist strap, which should be proper. Don't fucking mistreat me in the ambulance. Okay. They took my pictures of how I look now going in. Straight to the fucking hospital and not this one. I want to go to either Glenwood Springs or Grand Junction,
So you got
VA.
one strap underneath his arm.
Well,
No, the one's one over there. Okay,
I'll jump in there with them and
Do you want?
don't fucking
I'll
touch
just
me
follow you
again.
across the street.
Yeah, I got a car here, so
my car is going to
I can give.
You can do what you want. You're the EMT. I'm just telling these guys.
yeah, my car is driving
Call
over there.
Lucky Michael, 121-62-0635, 171 South 2nd Court, Parachute. Okay. My water
You wanna drop that
was
in, Mike?
off.
There you go.
Cut off the bus service to me. I got an ambulance right to the hospital, got medically cleared. They sent Bald Nut over there and another cop. I spoke to this Lieutenant Kuper here. They got Judge Petotsky as their inside guy, denying protection orders unlawfully, and then making contact with the federal court in Denver where I was